Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am going to share with you a gorgeous tag using the Flea Market Finds Papers, Ephemera, and Sticker by Cathe Holden, also Spellbinders. Watch as I create this gorgeous tag. It's super simple. You can absolutely create it too. It is just made out of cardboard. So you can make cards, junk journals, anything out of cardboard. I just simply tore off one piece, one side of it, left the corrugated part and the backing so that I could make this super cute tag. All of these papers, stickers, and ephemera are so coordinating that it makes it really easy, really quick. And I also add a little bit of crushed glass that I had in my stash from my last video. Definitely check that one out as well. But this crushed glass just gave it a nice little sparkle to go with how cool these papers are. So sit back, relax, I'll play some music and do a quick speed through of creating this super cool journal, or super cool tag. Let me know what you think in the comment box below, and also let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Below I also have a link of where you can purchase these gorgeous papers, ephemera, and stickers. Make sure you watch out for any future videos so you can see what I actually do with this tag when I'm done with it. Thanks for watching.